In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a selection in Google Sheets. We'll start right from the beginning so nothing is missed. Open your web browser and head to Google. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you're using the account that has access to your spreadsheet. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This opens the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, open the document that contains the data you want to print. With your file open, highlight exactly the cells you want to print. Click and drag to select a clean rectangle of data. If you select the wrong range, just click anywhere once and try again. A precise selection here saves paper and keeps your printout focused. You can also use Shift plus the arrow keys for fine adjustments if you prefer keyboard control. Now go to the menu bar at the top and click File. From that drop-down, choose Print. This opens the Print Settings screen, where you control what gets printed and how it looks. By default, Sheets might try to print the entire sheet, but we only want the specific area we highlighted. In the Print section, change the option to Selected Cells. This tells Sheets to use only the range you chose, which is perfect for sharing a summary, a small report, or a portion of a larger dataset without extra pages. With selected cells chosen, click Next to proceed. You'll now see a preview of exactly what will come out of the printer. Take a moment here to review the layout. If your selection looks too small or spills onto multiple pages, adjust settings like orientation, scale, and margins to make it fit nicely. Turning on grid lines or row and column headers can make the printout easier to read, especially if someone needs to reference specific cells. If your selection includes a header row, consider keeping it visible by ensuring scaling and margins don't cut it off. When everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and print. Select your printer, confirm the settings, and send it off. If you're sharing digitally, you can also choose to save as a PDF from this same screen, so the recipient sees exactly what you selected, formatted just the way you intended. And that's it. You went from opening Google Sheets to printing only the cells you care about, without unnecessary pages. This simple workflow keeps your printouts clean, professional, and to the point.